Hey everyone, so I have this PlayStation 3 over here. It's one of the popular CECH-A01 PlayStations that are backwards compatible. This one is non-working, so what I'm gonna do is take it apart and show you where there's some money in one of these things. So pop this little cover over here out, nice and simple. Pops out nice and easy. That's where the hard drive is. So you have some scrap value with this hard drive. It's pretty much a laptop hard drive. So you have little gold fingers here, you obviously the board, the aluminum inside and whatnot. So let's remove this security tab. Obviously if this was somewhat working, you'd be able to sell obviously the parts for a lot more, but for the video I'm gonna pretty much scrap everything, and I'm probably gonna make a video for each piece that's found in one of these PlayStations. There's a power supply, there's a Blu-ray drive, a few other smaller boards and whatnot. Pretty much to undo one of these you need a typical Phillips screwdriver, and you also need a Torx bit or screwdriver to remove the security screw over there. So here on the top we have 7 screws. These are easily taken out. For the time being, these screws are actually sellable. These are not common screws, so you can sell them as PlayStation screws pretty much anywhere online, and you'll make definitely more than scrap value on those. We'll put those aside. So these little tabs over here, you can just pry it open. There we go, we got the top off. So now over here we have the Blu-ray drive, we have the power supply, we have a few little boards that do have a little bit of gold on them. I'll show you where. So I'll take the Blu-ray drive off. So right away we have some gold over there on the ribbons, or at least on this ribbon, and some of the other ribbons on the PlayStation. Like you can see, this is the Blu-ray drive under. You get a nice little board with some monolithic capacitors, some IC chips. These connectors here are gold, but I'm going to go through that in another video. So let's remove some of these screws.